T-cell therapy has been described as a game changer for those with blood cancers like lymphoma and leukemia, using a patient's own immune cells to seek out and kill cancer cells.
Well, new research is now underway to determine if it could be used to treat other patients. The work involves a team at Melbourne's Peter MacCallum Cancer Centre, and immunologist Dr. Paul Beavis joined us earlier.
The great thing about these immune cell-based therapies is that they have been sort of very effective in patients which are refractory to other treatment types. And our research is really focused upon getting this sort of tremendous potential realised in the setting of other cancers known as solid cancers.
Okay, so take us through, in as much layman's terms as you can, how the T-cell process works and how you try to harness other cells in the body to compound its effect on the fight against cancer.
Yeah, that's right. So we use actually viruses to re-engineer the immune cells in a very safe way. I can see the animation on the screen. Yep. To basically encode the immune cells to retarget them to any sort of cell surface protein that we want to. And this works tremendously well in blood cancers because the blood cancers sort of express quite uniformly the targets that we're interested in. And one thing that we've observed in these solid cancers is that these targets can be downregulated, and so they escape our therapy with these immune engineered cells. So what our study that's been published today, co-led with my colleague Phil Darcy, is that we've engineered these immune cells further to be able to engage the host immune system, an immune cell subtype called dendritic cell. And what that means is that we're able to target these tumour cells which downregulate the targets that are being directly targeted.
Okay, so how encouraged are you by this breakthrough, and how much will it go towards trying to reduce the prevalence of blood cancer?
So we're very excited by this. So in this today marks an achievement where it's been sort of published, so it means it's been internationally peer reviewed. And so the next steps for us will be to continue our discussions with our clinician colleagues and sort of try and move this forward into clinical practice. And of course, we're very sort of careful about making sure these therapies are safe and effective before they're rolled out into the larger scale. But being based at the Peter Mac, we are the sort of one of the world leaders with this type of therapy. So we think there's good opportunity for the future for treating solid tumours with this type of approach.
Paul Beavis there from the Peter MacCallum Cancer Centre, and we wish them all the best with their continued research. Let's take you now to the Gold Coast, where a rescue mission is